kay Gia.
Bom dia. Bom dia, pessoal.
Don't say any bad word, ha. So alas 8 na kami nakaalis ng bahay. So nag-alarm lang ako ng 1 hour para 1 hour papunta doon, tapos balik na kami 1 hour babalik din. So kailangan namin maglakad ng medyo mabilis para lagpas kami doon sa una naming nilakaran, para mas medyo malayo yung lalakarin namin ngayon. So ayun, may good news ako sa inyo. May bago na akong trabaho. May bago na akong trabahong papasukan. So after ng part-time ko ay may papasukan agad ako. Same agency, same company, pero pang umaga. Yung sahod naman is syempre mas mababa kasi hindi na ako part-time. Mas malaki kasi ang sahod kapag part-time. So mas mababa pa din siya kasi wala siyang night differential. So sana may overtime at least makabawi-bawi. May maliit na park dito. Maliit lang siya, ayan. Ayan, maliit lang siya. Andun may mga matatanda naglalaro ng golf, pero yung bola nila, yung bola ng gamit nila ay yung parang sa tennis ball, ganon. Sobrang laki, and mabilis lang mahagis.
We didn't see here is because we always walk here. You remember this? The other side.
Huh?
We always walk the other side. That's why we never saw this.
No, we haven't. This is the first time we reach here.
Yeah, because we always walk the other side. If we look the other side, we will remember.
No, we didn't reach here yet.
That's what I'm saying. We always walk the other side, not here. That's why we don't know here. We didn't know here. Yeah, it's just now.
Didn't know. I don't get.
Just walking there.
The gets.
We only walk there. We don't walk here. We didn't used to walk here.
We did not know this because it's our first time to reach here. Even if we walk in the other side. So nandito na kami. Hindi ko alam ko. Nakalimutan ko kanong city na to. So nandito na kami sa ibang city na kami ngayon. Binabay-bay lang. Mahaba pa kasi to. Dun pa. So nag-alarm lang ako ng you wanna use toilet?
No, it's just good.
That's what we saw in the kuan. In the like a bulletin board there. That one, that wood.
You wanna go there?
No, there's nothing. Let's go on the other side. Okay, let's get here. Continue.
Afraid of the grass.
Because there might be a snake.
You like snakes?
No, just that snake. Shushu. How do you feel now that we will be working separately? Like I work day shift and you will work night shift. You will feel sad. You will feel lonely.
Very sad because I won't see you often. Just weekends.
Liar. You even like not seeing me.
It would be hard to adapt.
Yeah, so para sa aming dalawa, hindi kami worried kung magkahiwalay kami ng shift, kung magkahiwalay kami ng trabaho. Kasi lagi naman kami magkasama sa bahay. So, yeah, okay lang sa amin. At least, yeah, walang problema sa amin.
I will have to prepare my food.
If I have Zanggyo, you will have to prepare your food. But if I don't have Zanggyo, like I work AJ. If I work AJ, I can prepare your food. Kailangan kasi, ito kasing isa, lagi kong sinasabihan na
That's my only one.
Huh?
The only issue for me.
Preparing food.
That's the only problem for me.
Preparing food? No, because he doesn't have enough time to prepare food because he needs to do exercise, to play games, watch videos.
Of course.
Yeah,
Studying
kasi
Japanese, studying investments. Very busy man.
yeah, he is very hardworking and a good husband, really
course.
good husband.
You're a lucky one.
I'm very lucky to have you.
Of course.
I never get upset. I just get upset with myself. I don't have any reason to get upset on you because you're nice.
Not really.
Not really. Not really. So mamaya pala, so we are planning to go to Apita later, right?
We'll go to Apita.
So plano namin,
Apita is a mall.
yeah, sa mall. Plano namin pumunta ng Apita kasi Shikayu will shop for me. I don't want to, but Kayo insisted.
Yeah, I'm forcing her to go.
Because he said that I always stay at the kitchen.
She hates going to the mall.
Yeah, I hate to spend money. So Kayo insisted to go to the mall and shop with me. And we will have dinner there.
Lunch.
Lunch?
We'll not go now.
Ah,
After walking.
okay. I thought later na. Nandito na kami sa mall. Nandito na pala kami sa mall. Kaya nakabili. Pinag-shopping ako ni Kayo sa Gio. More than 6,000 plus yung nabayad niya. Ngayon, nag-ikot-ikot lang kami sa mga shops bago kami kumain. Kasi hindi pa kami masyadong gutom. So, alas 12 pasado na pala. So, ikot-ikot muna kami yan sa Kayo.
That's nice.
Yan. Nakita siya ang itim na. It's very expensive. 4,000. How much? 4,000?
Yeah, almost 5.
Okay.
This,
It's very expensive.
but this anime is very famous from Studio Ghibli.
Ito yung mga na-shop ko sa Gio. Ito. Mura lang kasi ito eh. 590. Ito, dalawa. 590. Crop top siya. Tapos, ito. Ayan. Blouse, mga blouse. Tapos, itong bag. Ayan. Ayan siya. Yan yung mga na-shop ko. Yan. Tingnan yung order ko. Shoes.
A little.
Ito yung sa akin. Horenso is spinach, kare, tapos cheese na, and drinks ko is lemonade. Tapos si Kayo, hinihintay pa niya yung sa kanya. What did you get? Burger.
Porky rib. Porky rib sandwich.
I thought it's big. It's small lang pala. You open it. And he has fries.
Right.
What's your drink?
7-Up.
7-Up.
Oh, it's
It's
small.
very small.
In a picture, look at big.
Expect the unexpected. Tadakimasu.
Expectation against reality.
Give a first bite. Fries, French fries with kare. Spinach kare. Ang sarap siya. Sarap niya. Itong cheese naan din. Masarap itong cheese naan. Ihap na. finish. Oh my God, so yeah, you shit in the